Okay, so I'm trying to log into it, and the default username and password root does not work. And I just checked. It's got a massive fault light on it. That is not a good sign. Hey guys, RPM here. Hope you're doing well, having a really great day. I have the infamous Bitmain Antminer L9 here. We're just gonna unbox it today. We're gonna run it and we're gonna see what the power consumption is for this unit here. This is the 16 gigahash model at I think 3360 watts. We will verify that later on as we turn on this machine. Okay, so we're gonna unbox it here. All right, so let's do it. Just a simple unboxing video of the Antminer L9, and I want to do a fun long-term test with this thing, okay, which I want to get your guys' input, okay, which, you know, as you're watching this right now, okay, don't stop watching. We're gonna do a 24-hour hash rate giveaway of the Bitmain L9, okay? All you gotta do, okay, and make sure you follow the rules. If you don't follow the rules, you will be disqualified, okay? So all you gotta do, comment down below, how should I do the, I guess, break even of, I think around $15,000. I'll put on the screen here. It was from Crypto Miner Bros who sent me this Bitmain L9, okay, thanks to them. So the price of this machine that's on their website, I'm just curious, okay, I guess November batch, of how long this will take to break even. And so comment down below your guys' thoughts on how I should do it. Should I sell every day since, you know, the profitability is quite high? Or should I just mine into Doge? Or should I mine into Litecoin? Or should I just hodl all the different coins that, you know, this L9 will be mining if I mine this on Mining Dutch, that is, okay? So let me know your comments down below. Which way should I mine to break even on this Antminer L9? Then I will choose the winner after 24 hours this video is uploaded. I'll pin your comment if you won the hash rate on this thing, okay? So just unboxing it here. I got the power cable. It's the P13 to C20, I believe. P13 to C20 power cable. Yeah, C20 cable there. So that's good. I'll be able to run this miner. Okay, taking out the top here. Nice thick foam piece. This is good. Yeah, this is, oh yeah, this is good. This is good. Though, when I, you know, picked up the box, I did hear a bit of metal clinking inside. So, you know what? We're gonna take out the top cover and just to make sure all the wires and cables are okay. All right, so yeah, look at that. L9 right at the top sticker there. Okay, so I'm gonna need two hands for this, so you guys will see this right on the table. 3, 2, 1. Okay, here it is in the flesh. Looks to be new. I don't see any dust on this thing. Okay, Antminer L9. Look at this. The top here says control board CV1835. Okay, I'm so used to like seeing like AM Logic or there's two other ones. I already forgot the names, but okay, looking at here. This is the 16 gigahash L9. There is a 17 gigahash model, so it looks like I didn't get the luck of the draw this time, but 3 fans on the power supply. You got the P14 plug there. Got the 2 120 mil fans. Yeah, these are, yeah, 120 mil fans on the front. And I'm curious, are these the new 4-pin ones? Yeah, probably. Like those 2 at the top, 2 at the bottom type of style plugs, not the 4-pin fan. And then there's 2 fans on the back as well here. So I'm gonna take off the top here and we're gonna see what the inside looks like, but just looking at the side here, yeah, nothing special here. Okay, let me get a screwdriver and let's take the screw out here. Okay, let's see what this looks like. The control board, I guess, not the hash boards. I don't want to see the hash boards in today's video here, but I mainly want to see what the top looks like. Okay, let's take out this part here. Okay, Came off nice and easy. Okay. Want to make sure all the cables and whatnot are in. Ribbon cables look to be good, looks to be in. The bus bars also look to be okay. You know, let me just do a, let's just do a, you know, a twist on each of these, make sure they're tight. You know, sometimes in shipping, just to make sure, you know, none of these got loose. Okay, that looks good. Okay, let's look at the control board area. Okay, so yeah, these are the new 4-pin fan connectors here, and oh, looks like this 6-pin part is a little bit dislodged. I don't know if you guys can see that in the video, so let me real time, I'm gonna push this in. Okay, yeah, a little bit further in. It was a little bit loose, not sure if you guys can tell in the video. Okay, these 3 cables, make sure these are in. Oh, this one wasn't pushed in all the way, a little bit. And this one looks to be good. Yeah, okay. So it's just good to make sure all the cables are in. Hashboard wise, yeah, I'm gonna have to trust they're fine, but we're gonna turn it on now, guys. Yeah, okay. Let me get this lid back on, and I gotta make sure, actually, before I put this over here, I have to make sure I have the power. So you guys know I run a lot of GPUs, and I do have a iServer KS5M here. So am I saturated max capacity and power? So this PDU, I'm at 23 amps. Okay, this bottom one, I am at 6 amps and 2 amps. Okay, I'm not using much on this one. This one, okay, you guys are gonna go upside down here. This one is at 11.4 amps. So this one's, I still got an extra 12, 13 amps I can use on this PDU, 240 volt, 30 amp PDU. Then as well on this PDU, this is the final 4th one here. This one I'm using 6.66 amps at 237 volt. So I will probably plug it in to this PDU, but there's one issue. There's an issue. I don't have any C19 plugs inputs on this because it's a C20 cable. All right, goes from P13 to C20. So this PDU doesn't have it either. This PDU doesn't have it. The only PDU that I have the C19 plug is this bottom one here. Okay, this might be tricky. If I can use, if it's 3,300 watts, so if I do the math there, this AAA PDU, I have 2 15 amp banks. But realistically, I can use the 80% rule, so 12 amps on each bank. If I use 12 amps on this one, what's 12 times 237 volt? 12 amps times 237. That will only give me 2,844 watts. If that Bitmain is, let's see, if I do 3360 advertised, it's probably like 3,500 watts or more, depending on environment. Divided by 237. Okay, that'll give me 14 amps. You know what? I'm okay. I'm okay to run 14 amps on this. It should be okay. Should be fine. As I say, should be. I don't recommend anyone doing it, disclaimer. But I have a C20 port here. Okay, so I'm gonna unplug anything that's plugged in on this bank and plug the Bitmain L9 here, okay, which is gonna be right there. All right, that's a good plan. That's a good plan. I need to plug it in this location here because my other location has run out of power. All right, my other location, I have so many GPUs over there, ASICs and other stuff that's running over there. I am maxed out. Anyways, guys, you will see this thing running. I'll plug it in and we'll see what it sounds like. Give me a sec. Okay, got the L9 here. I got that PDU side free. There's no power running on it, so 15 amps is free for me. All right, so I'm gonna plug in the P13 connector here into this new plug here. Okay, so let's do it. And I need 2 hands for this one. I gotta make sure it locks in. All right, there we go. Okay, that's locked in. Network cable's in. Okay, let's plug the C20 end into the PDU. Let's go to the other side. Okay, right here. Okay, let's plug it in right close to it. So let's go right here. Okay. turning on now. Oh yeah, feel that wind? Oh, this thing is loud. It's just starting up. Okay. All right, L9 is on. I don't smell any smoke. Looks to be okay. All right, network's in. Okay, let me go into the computer. Okay, so I'm trying to log into it, and the default username and password root does not work. And I just checked. It's got a massive fault light on it. That is not a good sign. That is definitely not a good sign. So I'm gonna try the reset button here and see if, I don't know, maybe someone already tried to mine with this and change the password. I don't know. So I'm just gonna hold it there for 10 seconds and see if that works. So give me a sec. Okay, I just held it there for 10 seconds. Let me see if I can log into it now. Okay, looks like I got a new IP. Let me try now. Root. Yes. Oh, thank God. Yes, we're in Antminer L9. Okay, thank the mining gods. All right, we are in. Okay, I'm actually curious about something. If I go to settings, okay, there's no pool, but is it still red? Let's see. Yeah, it is. It is red. Okay, strange. All right, that was very strange. Anyways, let me get it mining and let's see what it does at the wall exactly. And again, don't forget, guys, to comment down below which way should I try to break even on this L9. And one of you guys will get 24-hour hash rate of this L9. Here's the dashboard. It's just like any other Bitmain ASIC miner IP setting system. They got the miner log at the bottom, which is good. Yeah, okay. All right, pretty standard, all the same. Okay, let me put the worker in and let's see how much 16 gigahash of script mining pulls. Okay, got the mining pool and my worker name and such in. It's just ramping up now. I heard the fans actually go down. And but just looking at the log, I believe it is heating up. I just checked here. It says bring up temperature 25 degrees Celsius. It says warming up chains. Please wait. So yeah, I'm assuming the ASIC is cool. The hash bars are cool, so it needs to warm up. So that's actually very similar to like the AlphaPex. Actually, I think a lot of the big boy ASIC miners heat up as well. Even the ice rivers have a bring up temperature as well. So that's cool. Okay, so I'm gonna let this heat up and let you guys know once we find a share, once it start mining, that we'll see the power consumption at the wall exactly. Be right back. Okay, took a couple minutes for it to warm up. I also had to change my miner name because I decided to mine to Mining Dutch to a brand new account. So this should be showing up now. Let me go to workers. Yeah, L901. Okay, so I will be able to see exactly how much this thing is earning every day. I will give you guys an update. Like, oh, here we go. We're already earning some coins here. Okay, so over the next 2 or 3 days, I will make an update video on how much this thing is earning, and then we'll just talk about how we should ROI or break even on this miner. All right, so that's something that I definitely want to do a long-term test on this miner. Okay, let's see how much this thing's pulling. It says average, only been on for 6 minutes, 16.32 gigahash. All right, so let's go back out. Let's go look at the PDU and see how much this thing is pulling. Okay, we are pulling 14 amps. Yes, okay, 14 amps on this bank here. This bank I am pulling 5 amps, so 14 on this one. Yeah, I think we already did the math, so I think my voltage is around my voltage dropped a little bit more, so we're at 235 volt now. So yeah, if you do the math there, 14 times 235. I mean, I wish I had a, yeah, you know what? I may change out this PDU later to a Nerd Gears one, because I do have an extra Nerd Gears metered PDU with the D-Rock meter in it. So maybe I will do that next time. But otherwise, yeah, I'm getting 14 amps on this bank. So I should be okay. I should be okay. Okay, it's November 28th as of recording this video. I just wanted to see what the current profitability on this thing is. It says income is $64.35. So I think on Mining Dutch, this thing would probably pull like 75, maybe 80 bucks. I guess we'll see in the next couple days. I'll let you guys know, but it's good for me to go back to here and just record, you know, what this was making today, and then over the next couple days we'll just see what the profitability is, comparing it to Mining Dutch, because I think Mining Dutch is gonna definitely pay a little bit extra just because Coin and Lucky Coin, these extra coins that are merge mineable, and a lot of the other script mining pools don't have it. So that's going to be something we will keep account of. But otherwise, my friends, that's it. The L9 is mining away just fine. Just a simple, I guess, unboxing video, and just to show you guys, you know, what it's pulling, what it's mining, and I guess, yeah, initial setup. It's it's brainless to set up these ASICs, but it's working now. It's working good. Yeah, this new P13 to C20 cable working just fine. Okay, guys, I think that's it for this video. It's long enough. Let me know what you guys think. Again, comment down below for the 24-hour hash rate. How should I ROI or break even on this? Okay, would you sell every day now that the profits are nice, or you know, is it going to be nicer later on, or should I mine and hodl? Which strategy would you guys do? All right, again, let me know down below. I'll choose the winner after 24 hours. And again, thank you to CryptoMinerBros.com for sending me this Bitmain Antminer L9. If you guys are looking for ASIC miners, go check them out. The prices on their website is DDP to your door. Use coupon REDPANDA for 70 bucks off. Link down below if you guys are interested, especially in the L9 here. All right, I'll see you on the next one. Have a good one. Peace out. Peace out.